Okay, so in this video, I want to do an over-the-shoulders lesson here on how I go about writing my emails. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote a product. I actually promoted this product yesterday, so this is actually a follow-up to that, and I'll show you what the product is. It's a stock PLR fire sale, and this is a package of 5,000 products that are royalty free, copyright free, that people can use for their business. And the great thing about it is that you could also get private label rights to it. And that's, well, my list is mainly interested in private label rights. So that's one of the angles that I'm going to be pushing for this product. Okay, so this is the sales page for the product. Okay, so when I first promoted this yesterday, I took a look at this. It's like, wow, there's a lot of images here. You could even mention in your email, hey, look, take a look. You could see some sample images that you could be using for your business or to be selling. So let's go to my Word document here where I write my emails and the rough drafts. So this is the subject line for my first email: new PLR 5,000 never before released images. Okay, so that was the subject line for the first email, and the body of the email is: these images are organized to over 150 categories, blah blah blah, and then I include the email or the affiliate links in here. Everything from scary to sexy, because if you didn't you may not have seen it, but there were a couple of scary images there and a couple of sexy images, and these are images in here that you could probably find useful in your business. And there's also a coupon code they could use, so I mentioned that. And there you go. And then I included my signature. Okay, and a whole bunch of links underneath my signature. And then here are my notes: the launch date, some notes, some text that I copied from the sales page that I may want to use. So, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and write the second email. And one thing you'll notice is when you write follow-up emails, you'll find that they're a lot easier to write than the first email, because you already have knowledge about the product, and overnight more ideas and more angles come into your head while you sleep or just whenever. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and write a second email. This is my style. Of course, you could do this on a notepad if you want. Totally up to you. Subject line. Just take a look at the first subject line: new PLR 5,000 never before released images. Okay, I'm going to change it up a bit. I'm going to say PLR, which stands for private label rights. Now I'm going to use a verb here, so I'm going to say resale. I'm going to make this an action headline: resale 5,000 new images. Okay, so the angle I'm going to be using for here is, trying to say that, hey, they could try to resell these images. In the first one, it was more of, hey, look, here's 5,000 images that you could use or resell. Here I'm going to say, hey, look, go ahead, resell these images. So resell 5,000 new images. But you know what? Today I actually wasn't really thinking about promoting anything. I wanted to take a break from emailing my list today, but I had an idea of what to write about, and since I have something decent to say to my list, I'm going to go ahead and email my list. So that said, I'm going to go ahead and write the body of this email. I may pause this video just so I can try to remember what I had in my head and try to get my thoughts together. Okay, there you go. So I think I've just completed writing the draft here. Um, so I'm just gonna read it out loud. Every marketer and business needs graphics and images, so you don't have to try hard to sell these types of products, especially images that are royalty and copyright free. You also don't have to pretend to be an expert in your field to be able to sell these. People just want it. So if you are looking for a product to sell with ease, get the private label rights to this package. Link in brackets. I'm going to insert the link there. Make sure to use the new coupon code ACTFAST15 to get a 50% off PLR option for the next 24 hours. And that's it. And I insert the affiliate link and SIG or SG. That's where I'm going to copy and that's where I'm going to paste my signature. Okay. So I'm just going to go up to my first email, and I'm just going to copy and paste the affiliate link and my email signature, which is pretty long actually. Oops, let me try that again here. There, so copy and paste it onto here. And there you go. So I've written a follow-up email. I hope you learned from that. Just give an idea of the how I think and how I go about writing the email. Again, if I didn't have anything decent to say, I may not have emailed my list today because I made a couple $100 yesterday, and today I don't really need the money, but hey, I had something decent to say. And although I do have a big project I'm working on right now, I could take a break and just write this quick email to my list and send it off and wait for the commissions to come in. Now, something I didn't mention in my previous videos is the autoresponder that I use. Okay, so when you're doing email marketing, you need an autoresponder. I'm sure there's free tools out there, and but the one that I use, I'm not gonna say it's the best, but it's the one that I've used for years. The one that I use is Get Response. So look that up. Get Response. That's the autoresponder that I use and that I highly recommend. And that's where I'm gonna log in after this video to copy and paste this email, this draft that I've just written. I'm gonna paste it into my autoresponder and send it off to my database of subscribers.